Natalia, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys my 5-minute makeup tutorial using only drugstore products. All these products, they're super affordable, and this is like a really easy 5-minute makeup to achieve in 5 minutes without doing foundation. What I normally do every day for work, less makeup. Without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and start with the makeup tutorial. I already prepped my skin, so I already applied my skincare products. First thing that I like to do with 2 concealers. And the first concealer I'm going to be using is my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. This one is the shade 120 Light, applying the areas where I need to cover my acne. Especially in my chin area, that's where I have more acne, blemishes, some acne all over my face. And I like to cover my nose for some reason. Just cover those. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply concealer on my eyelid. And then I'm gonna apply a little bit on my under eye area, just a little bit. So that is pretty much it. What I'm gonna do with my basic face, covering my acne, my blemishes, anything that you have that will prevent from exposing, but you want to cover it. So I'm taking my Eco Tools sponge, and this sponge is so amazing, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with my e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set Setting Spray, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just blend the concealer just to cover it up. Sponge and just blend the eyelid. Like I said, I'm gonna set it with powder, and that kind of like prevents from not creasing my eyelid and my under eye too. So it's like, and I'm taking my e.l.f. hydrating camo concealer, and this one's satin finish in the shade Fair Warm. Going in with this concealer and then applying it in the areas where I definitely need it. So I'm applying it under my eyes and kind of do like, just gives a nice lift. I kind of got that in TikTok videos just because that's what everyone's kind of doing right now. A little bit on the eyelid, it just a little bit, doesn't hurt. This one didn't cover, so I'm going over again just so it can cover a little bit. But other than that, that's pretty much it. And just blend the concealer that I just applied and just covering my acne, because I'm taking my sponge and then just blending the under eye area just to give a little brightness in the under eye. And I kind of like to go like this way just so it can lift up the face a little bit. And then blending my eyelid as well. This concealer is so amazing because it's like so easy to blend. This one is more great for dry skin. Going in with my Ulta Beauty finishing powder. This one is the shade Fair to Light. I am taking my Real Technique powder brush. Well, it's kind of like a contour brush, but I use it for my under eyes just so I can set them in place. So I'm gonna go ahead and just like tap this under my eyes where I apply my concealer, just because I do want to set them in place. If I don't set it, it will crease like crazy, guys. So then I'm going ahead and just applying powder on my eyelid. So my Physician Formula Butter Bronzer, this one is bronzer. Go ahead and just dab this all over. So now that I apply bronzer, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit on the forehead area, just a little bit. I do want it to be some sort of bronze on the forehead. Even though my forehead is like really small, I still like to be bronzy. e.l.f. complexion brush, I like to take it on my eyelid and just swipe it like that, and it will give a really nice bronze to the eyelid. This is what I do and with this brush, and I just kind of apply it like that, and you have some sort of color in your eyelid just to make it like you actually did the effort. So I'm going back again and do the same thing with the eyelid. So just applying it like this, going in with my e.l.f. Total Face palette, and I have 2 blushes, which is this one right here, and I'm technically like mixing these 2 shades because I feel like it will kind of give a really nice set of colors. So I'm definitely applying them at apples of my cheeks and then bringing it upwards to my bronzer. I'm just going ahead and going back and forth on my nose just to give some sort of sun kiss, kind of like that. My e.l.f. Highlighter, this one's Moonlight Pearls Precision Highlight Brush, and taking that e.l.f. highlight and I'm just applying it just to give some sort of glow in the face. To go in with my finger and kind of apply it on my nose and then the bridge of my nose just a little bit, and then my cupid's bow area. With my e.l.f. Wow Brow, this one's neutral brown, and basically I'm not going to do my brows. I'm just going to go ahead and take this gel. So I'm just going to lift this up some sort of. Now, if you do messed up, you can always grab a Q-tip or your finger and that will fix it. Dark and this side is light. It's because the lighting, if I turn this way, is like the same thing. Revlon Big Bat Lashes, and I love this mascara so much. It has been one of my favorites. Really like this mascara a lot, and it kind of like gives really nice curls to my lashes. Milani Color Statement Lip Liner, and this one is the shade 03 Nude. Kind of like that, and then I will take like my chapstick and kind of apply that. I'm going in with my e.l.f. again and just set my whole entire face. Okay guys, so this is pretty much it for my 5-minute makeup look. This is what I normally do, and it's really easy to achieve, and it's only 5 minutes. Obviously in this video took a bit longer just because I'm explaining, kind of showing you the product, so that's why it took a little bit longer. So I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you did, please give a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.